Carter. Carter. Oh, you have a hiccups. What is going on? You sound like a squeak toy. You do. You sound like a little baby squeak toy. Do you have any words for the camera? It's Friday, August 6th, which means that you are a week old. Happy 1 week birthday, Carter. Happy 1 week birthday. Where's that tongue? Huh? Where's that tongue? Say, Mom's hopped up on... Ooh, careful. Mom's hopped up on chocolate, and Daddy is passed out along with Sheepy. So it's just you and me, kid, and we're watching Bethany. Because what else are you going to do at 1 o'clock in the morning, right? Watching some reality TV?
What are you doing?
Alright, boss man. Say night-nights, okay? Night-nights.